pumpkin cheesecake snickerdoodle cookies. Delicious.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. First thing we're going to do is make the filling. That is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Blend that together until nice and smooth, and you're going to chill this for at least an hour in the refrigerator. Now for the cookie dough. This is the dry ingredient part first. 3 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and just stir that together. And in a large mixing bowl, place 1 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, and a cup of white granulated sugar. Blend that together until light and fluffy. Then add in 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, pure pumpkin, and 1 egg. Once that's nicely combined, you can add in those dry ingredients that we stirred up first, a little bit at a time, and blend this just until it is combined, so you don't see any more dry flour. Then put this in the fridge and let it chill for an hour. While it's chilling, make the cookie coating. That's 1/2 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a dash of allspice, and stir that together. So once your dough is chilled, it's just easier to work with when it's cold. Take out a scoop of it, flatten it to a disc, and then you're going to add about a teaspoon or so of the cream cheese filling that's also been chilled. And then just gently fold that dough up. You want to surround that cream cheese completely, seal the edges, and then I rolled it in my hands just to make sure it was nicely sealed and you had a ball shape. And then you're going to dip that ball shape into the coating and just roll it around until completely coated, and put it on a cookie sheet that's been lined with a silicone mat or parchment paper. Flatten them slightly and then bake them at 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are light brown on the bottom and the tops start to crackle a little bit. And there they are. These make soft cookies. They're nice and soft. It has a delicious pumpkin flavor with those spices in the batter as well as on the coating, and then a wonderful little cheesecake filling. These are delicious, and they will certainly be made again in my household. Check out my pumpkin playlist. I have all sorts of wonderful recipes that use pumpkin that are perfect for fall or for pretty much any time, really. Check it out.